Hello everyone. In this presentation, we are going to learn about applications of curve fitting. As of myself, my name is Shashank Kannan. What are all the topics we are going to learn in these presentations are introduction, formulas, methods of curve fitting, applications of curve fitting, practical applications of curve fitting, applications of curve fitting used in CSE stream, conclusion. What is curve fitting? A curve fitting is the process of constructing a curve or a mathematical function that has the best fit to a series of data points, possibly subject to constraints. These are the basic formulas that are used in the curve fitting. Formulas are first degree polynomial y is equals to ax plus b, second degree polynomial y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. The and power formula y is equals to ax plus b. The red line shows the first degree polynomial and green line shows second degree polynomial. Orange line shows the third degree polynomial and blue line shows the fourth degree polynomial. The graph. Methods of curve fitting. What are all the methods that are used in curve fitting? There are three methods are available for this purpose. First method is method of movements, second method of least squares, and third method of maximum likelihood. Now let us start with the main topic. What are the applications of curve fitting? Trend analysis. Predicting values of dependent variable may include extrapolation beyond data points or interpolation between data points. Fitted curves can be used as an aid for data visualization to infer values of a function where no data are available and to summarize the relationships among two or more variables. What are the practical applications of curve fitting? Removing measurement noise, filling a missing data points such as when one or more measurements are missing or improperly recorded. Interpolating, which is estimating data points, such as if the time between measurement is not small enough. Extrapolating, which is estimating data beyond data points, such as looking for data values for before or after a measurement. Differentiating digital data, such as finding the derivative of the data points by modeling the discrete points of the curve. Obtaining the trajectory of an object based on discrete measurements of its velocity, which is the first derivative, or acceleration, which is the second derivative. What are all the applications of curve fitting that are used in the CS system? First, estimation of errors model. The number of errors in a program can be estimated by using a linear or nonlinear regression model. A simple nonlinear regression model to estimate the total number of initial errors in the program n can be presented as follows. N is equals to summation of ai xi plus summation of bi xi square plus summation of ci xi cube plus epsilon, where xi is the ith error factor. Ai, Bi, Ci are the coefficients of the model and is an error term. Typical error factors are software complexity, metrics, and environmental factors. Most curve fitting models involve only one error factor. Second, estimation of complexity model. This model is used to estimate the software complexity, CR, using the time series approach. The software complexity model is summarized as follows. CR is equals to A naught plus A1R plus A2ER plus A3MR plus A4IR plus A5D plus epsilon, where R is equals to release sequence number, ER is equals to environmental factors at release R. MR is equals to number of modules at release R. IR is equals to inter-release interval R. D is equals to number of days when first error occurs. Epsilon is equals to error. This particular model is used when the software is evaluated due to time by time means when more versions of the model are released. Estimation of failure rate model. This model is used to estimate the failure rate of software. Given failure times T1, T2 up to Tn. A rough estimate of the failure rate at the ith failure interval is lambda I bar is equals to 1 by Ti minus 1 minus Ti. Assuming that the failure rate is monotonically non-increasing, an estimate of this function I is equals to 1 comma 2 comma up to n can be obtained by using the least squared method. By this, we are concluding the section by where we are going to use the curve fitting methods in CSC stream and engineering stream. Thank you.